The United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, is the main policy-making and deliberative body of the United Nations. It's the only UN body where all member states have equal representation. What does the UNGA do? 1. Discuss issues. The UNGA discusses a wide range of international issues, including peace and security, budgetary matters, and admission of new members. 2. Make decisions. The UNGA makes key decisions for the UN, such as approving the budget, electing non-permanent members of the Security Council, and appointing the Secretary General. 3. Adopt resolutions. The UNGA adopts resolutions on issues discussed during its sessions. And 4. Elect officials. The UNGA elects the President of the General Assembly for a one-year term. How does the UNGA operate? 1. The UNGA meets in regular sessions from September to December each year. 2. Special and emergency sessions may also be convened. 3. Each member state has one vote. 4. Decisions on important issues require a two-thirds majority. And 5. Decisions on other issues are by simple majority. What are some examples of UNGA actions? 1. Adopting the UN Partition Plan for Palestine in 1947. 2. Passing the Zionism is Racism resolution in 1975. And 3. Approving the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, in 2015. The United Nations General Assembly, UNGA, is the main policymaking and representative organ of the United Nations. It has many powers and functions, including 1. Policymaking. The UNGA makes recommendations on international issues, such as peace and security, human rights, and international law. 2. Budgeting. The UNGA approves the UN budget and determines how much each member country contributes. 3. Appointment. The UNGA appoints the UN Secretary General and non-permanent members of the Security Council. 4. Representation. The UNGA is the only UN body where all member states have equal representation. 5. Discussion. The UNGA provides a forum for multilateral discussion of international issues. 6. Debate. The UNGA holds an annual session in New York where heads of state address general debate. 7. Decision-making. The UNGA makes decisions on important questions by a two-thirds majority, and on other questions by a simple majority. 8. Studies. The UNGA initiates studies to promote international cooperation, human rights, and more. And 9. Subsidiary organs. The UNGA establishes subsidiary organs to help advance its mandate.